If you are wrong, admit it, quickly. Principle 3, if you make a mistake, admit it quickly and emphatically. We never get enough while we struggle, but when we concede, we frequently get more than we imagined. When we accept that we are mistaken, people begin to trust us and sympathize with our point of view. It's better to accept your faults than to have someone else admit them for you, leaving you defeated and embarrassed. If this occurs, you will be having difficulty earning someone's trust. When you are in the wrong, encourage yourself to be the first to speak it out. If you made a mistake on a job assignment, talk to your supervisors about it or bring it up the next time you see them. By doing so, you prove that you are honest and trustworthy, and they are considerably more likely to disregard the problem and keep faith in you. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 3, How to Win People to Your Way of Thinking. Subscribe, like, follow for more.